Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana live classes. Today I am going to discuss 6th class Unit 2A English assignment 6 I am going to discuss with you people. Okay ma. So here conversation is given. What is conversation actually? Conversation is nothing but the mutual understanding discussion between two characters. Sometimes we can take the more than two characters. So but here we have to take especially two characters only, means here most probably we have to take two characters, then it is very easy for us to write the conversation. Okay, sometimes they will ask two or more characters also, they will ask us to take, but two characters is most preferable. Here in our question paper they had given one question, once I'll read for you. Your school planned a picnic to a place of cultural importance in your district. So here one important place they have mentioned, one cultural importance in your district level. So one important place they had given, write a conversation between you and your friend about it. So you have to keep in your mind about the importance of that place, and you and your friend you have to converse, you have to discuss that importance of that topic or that place, isn't it? So now here they have given some points, we have to use them. You may use the following: place selected for the visit. So which place is selected to visit, and its importance also we have to know, and also need to visit. So is it essential to visit that place? Is it worthful to visit that place? So if you are going to that place, what is the importance of that place, and is it revisit once again? So that all the points we have to keep in our mind, and we have to converse with our friends. So here I will write some assessment indicators for conversation, and we will discuss now. See here, using proper sequence of exchanges. So proper sequence is nothing but the tense formation is most important, and relevant to the context, the related topic we have to discuss with your friend. So using proper sequence of exchanges, one after the other. Exchanges means here one dialogue, your friend and your dialogue will be called as, two dialogues will called as one exchange. Okay ma. So most probably here we have to write 10 to 12 exchanges for the conversation. Okay, 12 exchanges is nothing but 12 plus 12, 24 dialogues, that meaning. Okay, next sustaining the conversation with social norms like being polite and relationship, etc. So here polite, being polite means here polite conversation should be there between the characters. Hello dear friend, how are you? Okay, we are going to visit that so and so place. Is it a good place? In a conversation we can ask sometimes questions also, and we can express some this exclamatory words also we have to write in this. Okay, so polite questioning is compulsory, and relationship etc. This all the things should be maintained very clearly. Next, using discourse makers, that is well formed structures precisely. Precisely is nothing but clearly we have to mention that discourse makers, that is suppose if it is a minor discourse, that box and indicators, and if it is a major discourse, now this is conversation is major discourse for us. So here in this well formed structure, that is if you are writing simple present, that all the things should be, means here all the dialogue should be in the simple present, and also well formed structures, subject verb agreement, that already we have discussed in our previous classes. So that should be very clearly we have to mention subject, verb and object, it should be there. So next, using short responses and tags if necessary. Short responses means here, oh well, it's very good, like that we have to mention, and sometimes we have to write, is it, question tags. Okay, some exclamatory words also we can use, oh really. In this way we have to write this is short responses and tags if necessary in the conversation. Is it clear ma? Next, using dialogues apt to the context. Dialogues related to the given topic. Whatever the topic is given to us, related to that we have to write the dialogues. Not any irrelevant dialogues are accepted. Is it clear? Suppose if you are visiting any some historical place, okay, related to that you have to write the matter, related to that context only we have to write the dialogues, right? Using cohesive devices. Okay, cohesive devices means here some normal activities and some devices that pronunciations, this connectivities, that everything we have to write. Using well-formed construction. Well-formed construction will come under this discourse makers only. That is subject-verb agreement, okay, personal pronouns, okay, prepositions, where we have to use this, all the things we have to mention in this constructions. Is it clear, ma? So this is about the conversation, about a important place. Whenever you are going to visit with your friends, you have to discuss in a normal relationship, and in a, that dialogue should be very, very polite. Okay, so rough language should not be used in this. Is it clear, ma? So this is our topic today. So we will meet once again in another session. Thank you. Be safe. Stay at home. Okay.